Hello! For today's video is how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. I'm going to go in my Instagram app. And if I wanted to look at someone's followers, I can just click on that person and bring me to her profile. And at the top, you can see followers in the middle and click on that. Now, it used to be that Instagram would have an option at the top left-hand corner to either categorize it by date, so you can find the most recent, and then they took that feature away and they started making it the top people, the most recent that this person followed. And it goes down to the people that they've known to the longest. However, since June of 2021, Instagram has completely taken away that feature. So there's actually no way to find out who they recently followed or who their recent followers are. It actually categorizes it now by the people that would know at the top, or the people or the things that they think that you will follow at the top. So if I get out of here and I go to somebody that I know more, so for example this one, then I hit followers. At the top is going to be all the people that I'm already following. As you can see, all my friends, and then if I keep scrolling down, it will be the people that I'm less likely to know all the way down to people that I probably would never interact with. So that's how they categorize it. There's no way to find out who they recently followed or who their recent followers are. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.